everyone, and welcome back to Jean's 25 Days of Baking at Day 14. Today we are making very easy deviled eggs. Here are the ingredients that you will need for today's video. You'll need boiled eggs, pepper, sour cream, mayonnaise, and paprika. So first we started off by boiling our eggs for 10 minutes, and then we just used a knife and cut them in half. And you have to remember that it's going to double in size, so we made 4, but then it ended up making 8 once you cut them in half. So if you want a dozen, just make 6 eggs, and then it'll end up being 12. So we just cut all of them open, and then we used our spoon and scooped out the center of the egg. After that, we used our fork and just mashed it all up in a bowl. After that, we added our sour cream and our mayonnaise, and we added our mustard, and then we just mix that all together using a whisk. And you can always just add sour cream if you don't like mayonnaise, or add mayonnaise if you don't like sour cream, or you can just do half and half. So next we added our pepper, and we added some lemon juice. And we did actually end up adding too much sour cream, so it did end up a little tangy, but you can just always add more mayonnaise. And then after that, we added a little bit of paprika, and then whisked that all together until it was fully combined and the consistency that we like. After that, we used our spatula and scooped it into our piping bag. And then we just put in our filling. You can use any piping tip you like, depending on how you want the yolk to look, or you can just scoop it in with a spoon, anything that you like. After that, we just dashed on some paprika. You can add like bacon bits or anything that you like. And that was basically it. This was so simple to make, and if you tried it, make sure to comment down below. Also, make sure to check out our Instagram at Jean's Inspire Zone, and make sure to subscribe. We'll see you guys tomorrow. Bye.